Dropping in hot map lit like a runway. Bird Bro Squad, we don't play it the dumb way. Munchie T in the
Welcome back to the arena. We are riding along with the legendary Bird Bros today. We've got Munchie T rocking the Raven skin and Winnie GT looking patriotic on the Eagle. They are holding down Brutal Bulwark and the zone is closing in fast.
Gun Willie got him screaming, can't survive. Running from the storm, but we claim that crown. Victory Royale, we ain't messing around, round. Looting like bandits, chest popping gold beams. Team synergy, tight dreams, big as all schemes. You get hurt, call Jordan Levine, no cap. Patch you up faster than the med kit slap. Enemy scatter, footsteps sound like mice. Bird Bro swoop in, cold hearts, nothing nice. Bird Bros taking them out, that's the vibe. Machine Gun Willie got him screaming, can't survive. Running from the storm, but we claim that crown. Victory Royale, we ain't messing around, We build, we box, we edit, we spray. Ain't no safe spot when the birds come to play. High ground dogs, can't snatch it, no chance. Fortnite dance while we loot, last dance.
Soulless 007 catches him slipping. Munchie T is down. Munchie is out. It is all up to Winnie GT now. The Eagle is flying solo. Make him bow! Switching cams to Winnie GT. Look at this movement. He's got the Shockwave Hammer bouncing around the architecture like a pinball. He is playing for his life right now. He needs to isolate this last 1v1. The patience is ice cold. Make him bow! Here we go, final circle. Winnie spots him. He charges the hammer, goes airborne. From the top rope, boom! He crushes him. Victory Royale. The Bird Bros take the dub. That is how you close out a game. Unbelievable.
At our backs, but we still got hope. Should've quick, grab the minis, then we roll. Building like Picasso, taking height is the goal. Bird Bros taking them out, that's the vibe. Machine Gun Willie got him screaming, can't survive. Running from the storm, but we claim that ground. Victory Royale.